So welcome back everyone, Triple M here. Today's video we're talking about YouTube TV and their all new plans that are coming in 2026. So if you're a subscriber, you know that YouTube TV is one of the best streaming services out there. From DVR capacity, shared accounts, to the user interface, this is the most impressive put together streaming service that's currently available. However, one issue with YouTube TV is the current price. So for everyone that's been following, you know that I had YouTube TV for years. I did ditch them and I went to Sling just because of the price. But we recently found out that YouTube TV plans to have 10 packages to choose from starting in 2026. So we're going to jump right into it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. So let's jump into the details as far as what we know currently. And I'm going to read a little bit from bgr.com. Of course, I'll leave the link to the full article in the description. So title of this one is YouTube's new TV plans may pay back your premium hike. So essentially YouTube TV has announced that it's gonna have 10 different plans starting in 2026. Let's go ahead and jump into the details. Now, cord cutters who have ditched their regular cable subscription but still want to watch traditional TV have a good alternative in YouTube TV. Now, an $82.99 monthly subscription that gives them access to over 100 live channels. YouTube TV doesn't include YouTube Premium, which is a separate monthly charge. The monthly bill can easily hover around $100 for both services, depending on what premium subscription you have. So I can attest to this, that when I had YouTube TV, and this was just YouTube TV, no add-ons, no YouTube Premium, I was paying $95 a month, and that quickly added up, which is why I actually ditched them. Even though the price is $82.99 with taxes, with fees, you're hovering an extra $12, $13, which for me put it over the top. So the advantage over regular cable is that YouTube TV doesn't come with a contract and you can unsubscribe at any time. However, things are about to get even better in 2026. So YouTube confirmed in a short blog post that it will launch genre-based YouTube TV packages that will let customers customize their TV experience. Listed on the YouTube page, it says introducing YouTube TV plans launching early 2026, and you can see some of the information. This was posted December 10th, 2025. So early next year, we'll launch YouTube TV plans and flexibility to subscribers with over 10 genre-specific packages. Now, one package that we know our customers will be excited for is the YouTube TV Shorts plan. Now, the short plan will offer fans access to all major broadcasters as well as sports network like Fox Sports 1, NBC Sports Network, as well as ESPN Unlimited. Now, subscribers can include add-ons like NFL Sunday Ticket and Red Zone and keep all fan favorite features including unlimited DVR, multi-view, key plays, and fantasy views. Now, TV should be easy, giving viewers greater control over what they want to watch. Our goal is to tailor your subscription with more options, whether you stick with our main YouTube TV plan with 100 plus channels or focus on sports, combine sports and news, or select plans centered on family entertainment. Subscribers will be able to easily choose the plan that works best for them. And it goes on to say we have a lot in store for YouTube TV members next year and can't wait to share more soon. Based off this, seems like they're gonna have the regular YouTube TV package with over 100 channels, but also going to give you an option to combine sports and news or sports and family entertainment or other mixtures, up to 10 combinations, which will be pretty cool. And hopefully with that, they don't screw you over. What I mean is that with Sling TV, they'll have the Sling Orange, they'll have the Sling Blue, and then they'll have the Sling Orange plus Blue, which for the most part is pretty cool. But what I found out is that if you pick just the orange, you're going to be missing out on a lot that you want in the blue. However, if you pick the blue, it's going to be in the same situation. So most folks end up getting just the orange plus blue, which is their most expensive plan. So hopefully YouTube actually gives you the options you want, not just screwing you over to where you have to choose that more expensive package. But we'll see what they do early next year. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you are a current YouTube TV subscriber, meaning that you're paying $82.99 a month, would you switch out that plan if it means that you can drop certain channels? So maybe you're sports heavy, you want to drop some of the entertainment stuff, you can do that. Maybe you just want entertainment, news or something like that, you can mix that up. Drop some of those channels that you don't use, save a little bit of money. Also, if you're on the fence of YouTube TV, is this something that interests you? Or if you recently left YouTube TV, would this entice you to come back? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.